All right, let's talk about something that's totally changed the game for how we work. I'm talking about the digital tools we use every single day. The ones that are really reshaping how, where, and even when we get things done together. Let's dive in.
Does this just give you a headache looking at it? You know that feeling, right? That sinking feeling when you open up some massive email thread and you just know the one thing you need is buried somewhere on page 5. If you felt that pain, you know exactly why we need to talk about this. Look, the reality is the way we worked before 2020, it's just not coming back. What started out as, a temporary thing, this whole hybrid and remote setup, it's now just how business gets done. This isn't some passing trend anymore. It's the new normal.
And this new normal brings a really specific challenge with it. How in the world do you keep that creative spark alive, that feeling of being a team, and let's be honest, that actual productivity when your people aren't even in the same room? That's the big problem we're going to unpack today.
This slide just nails the shift, doesn't it? We've gone from this messy, scattered system of email chaos and random files to a central living hub. It's really the difference between just passing notes back and forth and actually sharing a living, breathing digital workspace together.
So what does this new way actually look like? Well, it's powered by a toolkit that, let's face it, most of us are getting pretty familiar with. You've got chat apps like Slack and Teams that are finally killing the reply all nightmare. You've got project management platforms like Asana or Trello that make it super clear who's doing what and when. And of course, video conferencing, which keeps that vital face-to-face connection alive, no matter how many time zones are between you.
But here's the thing, this is just the beginning. The next wave of collaboration isn't some sci-fi concept. It's happening right now. The foundations are already being built. So, what's next on the horizon?
We're seeing 3 huge upgrades happening all at once. First, AI is stepping up. It's doing more than just taking meeting notes now. Some tools can actually analyze how a team communicates to flag potential burnout before it even happens. It's wild. Second, our tools are finally starting to talk to each other seamlessly, so you're not constantly jumping between a dozen different apps. And third, with so much important stuff online, security is getting a massive, much-needed upgrade.
And when you zoom out, you can see what this is all really about. It's a true win-win. For employees, it means way more freedom and flexibility in their lives. And for companies, well, the walls have come down. You can now find and hire the absolute best talent from anywhere on the planet.
Okay, this brings us to what might be the most crucial point of all. We have to stop thinking about these tools as just an IT expense. Choosing how your team collaborates is now a core part of your business strategy. It directly impacts your culture, your productivity, and, your ability to compete.
And believe me, the stakes could not be higher. This quote really says it all. If your tools are clunky and feel like they're from another decade, you're not just losing a little bit of efficiency, you are literally losing your best people to other companies that have figured this stuff out. So at the end of the day, what we're talking about is building a solid foundation. The right digital tools create a workplace that isn't just productive, but one that's connected, one that can handle change, and one that's truly ready for whatever comes next. You're essentially future-proofing your whole operation.
So I'm going to leave you with this one crucial question to think about for your own team or your own business. Take a hard look at your current toolkit, look at how you actually get work done every day, and ask yourself honestly, are our tools really keeping up with the way people want and need to work today? Because if the answer is no, your best talent might already be looking for a place where the answer is a definite yes.